Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to assemble our mini climber. You'll grab your side panel piece and attach all the dowels to one side of the panels using the Allen key provided. Once you've attached all the dowels with the screws, you'll do exactly the same to the opposite side. Your climber will now look like this. Now it's time to assemble the stability legs. You'll grab your stability legs. First you'll grab the smaller piece and you'll grab two of the locking nuts, which will be inserted into these two holes at the front here. You'll then attach the larger piece of the stability leg and slide it right in. This is how it should look, and then once you've completed that, you will slide this into the front of the climber and it will lock into place. You'll then grab your screws and attach them with the Allen key provided. You'll then do the exactly same thing to the opposite side. This is what the finished mini climber looks like once you've finished assembling it. If you need further instructions, please refer to the assembly instructions which is included in the mini climber upon arrival. I hope you enjoyed this video and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.